Hello everyone, welcome to 3 minutes SOLIDWORKS tutorial. In previous videos we have learned about so many tools like the line, circle, rectangle, spline, many things. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the text. So let's start. First of all we need to select a plane. We select front plane and normal it, then select sketch. For this sketch tool we first need to make a line, reference line. So make a line this. Okay. We can also select a spline. So I can see you. Now select the text. For text we need to write a text like 3 so we need to select a reference curve. This is already selected reference curve. We can also select. Now we can change the font and the size of this text by using uncheck this. We can make the enlarge the space. We also can change the font from here. Click here font, and also enlarge this text by units. This can be 6. Enter. You can see this already enlarged. So you can see. We can also change this by point. So in case this is 23, but we can enlarge this, make it 28. Okay, you can see this the text is going to become large. So we also can change the font from here. There are so many fonts you can see. We can use this font. Okay. We also can make it bold, oblique, or italic from here. And okay, you can see this is the text, and for this is there are no line selected, reference line selected, so we need to select this reference line. So it is inside this. You can see this the line is the text is not showing. We can fix this by enlarging this line. So here it is. We can also drive this line in a follow path. So for this we need to double click here, then remove this line, reference line, select selection, and make this line. You can see this follow this path. Make it. For extrude this, all of this text, we need to make it construction geometry. So right click and make it construction geometry. Now we can extrude this text. Now make it extrude. You can see this is automatically extruded. Just 10, make it 5 millimeter, and okay. That's all about this text tools. In next tutorial we are going to learn about the features. There are so many features we will learn in next tutorial. Thank you so much. Please subscribe this channel for getting update.